Jamaica
Two illegal
watches
graves
removed
have been
at
removed
Port
from the
Maria
entrance of the
Cemetery.
Port Maria Cemetery after they were discovered by Mayor Fitzroy Wilson on Tuesday morning. The discovery prompted the St. Mary Municipal Corporation to launch an investigation into the unauthorized construction. Here again is Carla Ramdeen.
The St. Mary Municipal Corporation has launched an investigation into the illegal construction of two graves at the entrance of Port Maria Cemetery. Mayor of Port Maria, Fitzroy Wilson, raised concerns after visiting the site Tuesday morning, noting that the graves appear to have been constructed over the weekend.
We've done our checks at the Municipal Corporation and we were trying to find out who would have given permission for those graves to be constructed. The issue is the Port Maria Cemetery is basically it's almost filled to capacity. And as such, we do not encourage much burial or facilitate much burial. We mainly use our main cemeteries for the parish, is Whitehall Cemetery and the Anata Bay cemeteries. So most of our revenue would come from those cemeteries.
Preliminary findings suggest that the cemetery keeper may have instructed that the graves be built in a restricted area. The graves have since been demolished.
It is now for us to investigate as to whether or not permission was granted for those graves or those graves were illegally constructed in the driveway to the cemetery. Because that is basically the entrance to the cemetery. And when we went there this morning, that is when I certainly was aware of it, because that is where we normally enter to go into the cemetery. And even so, the gate couldn't open properly because the graves were constructed almost at the fence side. So I'll definitely be getting to the root of this, because this is not going to be tolerated. And those graves will be demolished.
Meanwhile, Minister of Local Government Desmond McKenzie is requesting a detailed report from the St. Mary Municipal Corporation. He emphasized that no one outside the municipality is authorized to dig or construct graves.
And it is unfortunate, and I'm hoping that the municipality does something about it. And whatever disciplinary action is to be taken, if anyone at the MC is responsible, then we are expecting that the strongest possible disciplinary action be taken against the individual or individuals. But I'm awaiting a report from the mayor, and then we will see where we go from there.
Carla MD.